Hello, my name is Daniel Pires, and today I'm going to be talking about my website, The Impact of Video Calling. Video calling is a method of communication over an internet connection or a cellular data plan. It has pretty much transformed the traditional method of communication from just sending signals or words, messages through wire or radio frequency, and has made it an online face-to-face experience using the internet. Um, as we navigate through the website, I'm scrolling down here and you can see the table of contents. And the first page that we're going to visit is the purpose page. And we have a question here at the top that states, indicate the name of the innovation and provide a clear description of its intended purpose. As I stated before, the innovation is video calling, and its purpose is just to transform the way we communicate. We've come a long way from just hearing somebody's voice over a phone. Now we can actually see that person in real time using video calling software, and it has allowed us to share more experiences visually with each other through these software such as FaceTime, Skype, Uvu. There's a lot of other ones, but those are just ones that come to my mind. As I continue to navigate the website, my next page is the impacts, and the question at the top here states, explain a benefit or a harmful effect of the innovation. As I was trying to answer this question, I really couldn't find a harmful effect that I've experienced using video calling, but a huge benefit is obviously we live in a digital age, and a lot of people believe that if you haven't recorded it or if they haven't seen it for themselves, it hasn't happened. Here I have a picture of a guy who looks pretty excited. Maybe he's doing something awesome and he wanted to show his friend, so he placed a video call, and now he's viewing him in real time, and they're going to experience this moment together. And that's what video calling has provided us with, a way for us to experience communication on a different level virtually. As I scroll down here, I have a video where Abubakar is just going to explain what video calling means to him and how it's impacted his life. And I'm just going to play that for you now.
Season. I'm a freshman. My major is computer science. All right. Can you tell me one thing that you find beneficial about video calling? Like for example, like with this iPhone, I like to like FaceTime my friends and family. You know, sometimes I like to use Skype people around the world. You know what I mean? All right, thanks. So what I'm about to do is FaceTime one of my friends using my iPhone. Save, look for his name, and we got video calling right now. Yo, you see this? More close? What guy?
All right. The question right below the video here is, explain the impact that the innovation has had on society, economy, and culture. And I think pretty much Abubakar summed it up in the video. He stated that he uses FaceTime to stay in contact with his family and friends all over the world, and it's made communication for him much easier. And one amazing thing about video calling is here, down here in this picture, you can see that I had asked people prior to taking my survey, had they heard of video calling, and not surprisingly, 100% of the people answered yes, that they had heard of it before. And that just goes to show you how massive and widespread this new method of communication has become. And the next question here is, indicate one field other than computer science which this innovation has impacted or has the potential to impact, and describe the impact. The first thing that came to mind was education. I'm a college student here at URI, obviously, and it's hard for students who work on group projects to meet up all the time, and just there's always conflicts with schedules and stuff, and video calling provides a way to get around that. You could be at work and your friend could be at the library and you have some free time, and you both place a call to each other and bang out an assignment together virtually over an internet connection. Next, I am here on my tech page, short for technology, and the question here says, describe how a user interacts with the innovation. As I stated before, if you have an internet connection, a device with a camera and a microphone, you can pretty much place a video call to anyone who meets those same requirements. Using FaceTime, you could just call up somebody's number, a little camera icon pops up on the corner, and you're FaceTiming. The question right below here, this one states, describe in detail how the innovations technology incorporates at least one of the big ideas, abstraction, algorithms, programming the internet to accomplish its purpose. As I stated before, you can't place a video call without an internet connection, whether it's over Wi-Fi or your cellular data plan. An internet connection is needed to make a video call, and that pretty much just sums it all up. My next page here is relation to data. And the question here is, describe how the innovation consumes data, produces data, and transforms data. Since you're using an internet connection, packages of data are sent from the caller to the receiver and from the receiver back to the caller. And that's how you pretty much get these images produced on your phone and the sounds that you hear. And the question right below that is, describe at least one data storage concern, data privacy concern, or data security concern related to the innovation. The first thing that came to me was privacy. If you're making a video call out in the public, anybody could really look at your screen and see who you're talking to or overhear your conversation. There have also been questions about, can hackers send softwares to your devices that they can record your calls without you ever knowing. And I'm pretty sure that in today's day and age that is possible, and that's another concern that there is there. But I know that these software come with protection against that. Moving on to the next page, I have my references. And the first reference, and I think the most important one that I want to go to, is this wiki page here, Wikipedia page. This page is pretty much sums up what video telephony is, and that's just another term for video conference or video chat or FaceTime, anything like that. It has some great details about how you place calls, the history, major concerns, security, and all that. And if you want to take a look at it, you just go to reference page, and here it is, first one on the list. And that should conclude the tour of the website. One thing that I do want to go over is right here is the banner. This banner I had produced before I actually made the website itself, and I used Pixlr. I had pretty much just found this background image on Google. This icon here I made myself, and I just layered it, added my name onto it, and Pixlr does the rest. It just makes it all one image. I saved it onto my laptop, and using HTML and cPanel, I managed to put it here on my website. So once again, my name is Daniel Pires, and this was a video on the impact of video calling and the impact that it's had on society and the world. And thank you for watching.